Welcome to Assisted Device Resolve. Today I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update KB2267602 not installing. Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Press Window key. Then click on power icon. Then click on restart. Fix 2. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Press Window key plus I. Then click on System. Then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshoots. Then click on Run Windows Update. Fix 3. Check for update again. Press Window key plus I. Then click on Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates.